Concentration in extracellular fluid and cell maintained in the normal limits by parathermone, active vitamin D, that is the active vitamin D, another name for active vitamin D is 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, and third is calcitonin. Now these three, parathermone, activated vitamin D and calcitonin, maintain the blood calcium level. Please keep quiet. Now, functions of calcium. Why parathermone is important? Functions of calcium. Write down the functions of calcium. Calcium is important. Please don't make noise. Calcium is important in organic ions. Why should we maintain the blood calcium level within the narrow critical physiological? Should I stop the lecture? आवाज बहुत आ रही है. Okay. Why there is importance to maintain the calcium level? To maintain the calcium level because it's important in organic ions, and you know the calcium requires for various activities like bones, development of bones. Second, skeletal muscle activity. Then cardiac activity, smooth muscle activity, endocrine glands activity. Then important one is coagulation of blood. Now, therefore, calcium is very important in our body. The normal calcium level is 9.4 milligram percentage. Now, why we are stressing towards calcium only? Because if it goes below 6, it is very dangerous. It is go above 11, it is fatal, dangerous. So it should be maintained. The range is between 9 to 11. And again I will repeat again. 3 hormones. The parathermone plus 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol or activated form of vitamin D and calcitonin, they maintain the blood calcium level. Now, functions of calcium already we have seen. Skeletal muscle activity stability is not important. Adult human body has 1200 gram of calcium. It's not very important. Normal, you know, 9 to 11 milligram percentage. Now, how many forms calcium is present in the plasma? In 3 forms. One is non-diffusible form, second is non-ionized form, and third is attached to the plasma protein. Ionized calcium, non-ionized calcium, and calcium attached to the plasma protein. It is present in the plasma in 3 forms. Which present? Calcium present. देखो अभी तक अपन पैराथायराइड से शुरू नहीं किया है. We are still on the calcium only. See this figure carefully. Dietary intake. Only see the figure. I don't think this figure is very important for you. Now please start the hormone parathermone. Write down. Please write down parathermone. Parathermone is a protein hormone which is synthesized by parathyroid gland and also synthesized by chief cells. Parathyroid gland it contains chief cell and it is synthesized by chief cells. Now, chemically it is protein in nature. Parathyroid gland chemically it is protein in nature. Now, the parathormone acts on a three part. One is on the bones, second is on the kidney, and thirdly, it acts on an intestine. Means what? First parathormone, it acts on bones, then it activates the kidney to form the activated form of vitamin D 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. This 120, why it is important? Because 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol is important for the absorption of calcium from the intestine. Then intestine is also important to absorb the calcium. Now, the chemical nature we have already finished. Now, parathormone first it acts on the bones. Now, it is of two types. Means it acts on a bone in two phases. One is rapid phase and second is slow phase. Please write down rapid phase. What happens in rapid phase? The parathormone releases immediately. Whenever blood calcium level is decreases. Remember, the parathormone releases immediately and attached to the receptor. So, there is increased permeability of calcium from the bones, and from the bones, the calcium goes to the blood, so the blood calcium level is maintained. This is rapid phase. Slow phase is what happens when the hormone receptor complex is formed. The organic matrix, they secrete some digestive enzyme, lactic acid, like citric acid. They dissolve the organic matrix and they release the calcium from the bones into the blood. So in how many forms? Two forms, rapid form and second is slow form. Now this is the action of calcium on the bones. Now second, how the calcium acts on the kidney. There is excretion of calcium on the kidney. The main target organ is distal convoluted tubules and the small part of the collecting duct. Now there is stages of the synthesis of the formation of 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, the activated form of vitamin D. Again, I am repeating that this activated form of vitamins, this vitamin D3 is responsible, though the synthesis, listen, the synthesis in the kidney, the action is on the intestine to absorb the calcium. If this is not formed, the calcium is not absorbed from the bones when the blood calcium level is decreases. Now, dihydroxycholecalciferol. With the help of sunlight, आपण म्हणतो ना की उन्हात बसल्यावर व्हिटॅमिन डी भेटतं. With the help of sunlight, ultra rays, the dihydroxycholecalciferol is formed. This dihydroxy, please write down the chart. This dihydroxycholecalciferol is converted in the kidney to the 25 dihydroxycholecalciferol, which is the inactivated form of vitamin D. After that, with the help of parathormone sorry, it's not in the kidney, in the liver it is converted into 25 dihydroxycholecalciferol. From 25 dihydroxycholecalciferol with the help of parathormone, it is converted into 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, which is the activated form of vitamin D3. And this vitamin D3, again I am repeating that it is important for the action, for the absorption on the intestine. Means you see that. I think you imagine that there is bone. Suppose one bone is there, blood calcium level is decreases. Okay. Suppose it is become 7. What happens? Which hormone comes into action? Parathormone. What does this parathormone? You know, on the bones, act on the bones, and they take calcium from the bone. That word is called resorption of calcium. Not reabsorption, resorption of calcium. So from the bones, the blood goes, calcium goes into the blood and the blood level becomes normal. And again, from the kidney, 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol is formed, which acts on the intestine, which increases the absorption of calcium from the intestine. This is when the blood calcium level is decreases. These two hormones, parathormone and the kidney, plays important role. When calcium level is increases, chalo 15-16 ho gaya, then what should be there? The calcitonin, which is calcitonin, from where it is secreted? Calcitonin hormone, we secrete the calcitonin hormone. The thyroid hormone secrete the parafollicular cells of the parathyroid hormone secrete the hormone calcitonin. Whenever the blood calcium level is increases, what the calcitonin does? From the blood, they deposit the calcium on the bones. One parathormone is called resorption of calcium, means they take the calcium from the bones. And when excess calcium is there, the calcitonin deposits the calcium in the bones, and by this calcitonin and parathormone balances the blood calcium level. Control of parathormone. Secretion of parathormone controlled by calcium level in the blood, which produces parathyroid gland. If plasma calcium is low, parathormone is increases. If plasma calcium is increases, calcium parathormone decreases. Again, same figure is there. Action of parathormone is on the bone, intestine, and the kidney. And parathormone acts on the receptor on the osteoblast. Osteoblast, and there are two types of cell, osteoclast. Osteoclast, they are increase in number of the size, they break the bone. Osteocytes in between the lamella connect between the osteoblast and osteocyte via kinase. This is not very important. Only you remember the rapid stage and the slow stage. Compact bone capability. This is not very important. Osteoclast, radiculate. Osteoclast is a large multinucleated cells of phagocytic system in the bone. Osteoclast secrete acidic chemicals increasing solubility of the bone minerals. Resorption of the phosphate collagenase lysosomal enzyme causes dissolution of the bone matrix. Resorption releases hydroxy's proline. Please, word resorption, remember that means absorption of calcium from the bone. Osteoblast, these are bone forming cells, modified fibroblast. Orderly deposition of mineral crystal on the organic matrix. Osteoid tissue constitutes about 95% collagen and 5% ground substance. It's not very important. Again, repeat same thing. Calcium. Please remember that calcium regulation is by 3 hormone, parathormone, 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, active form of vitamin B3, and calcitonin. Now we are going towards the applied part of the calcium. There is already I have told you in endocrinology there is two parts. One is normal hormones, then hyposecretion and hypersecretion. Whenever there is decreased secretion of parathormone hormone, it gives rise decreased secretion of the calcium also, and that is called hypocalcemia. Remember that hypocalcemia means the blood calcium levels, the normal is 9.4 or it is range between 9 to 11 milligram percentage. It decreases, it shows the symptoms when it decreases below 7. So hypocalcemia and hypercalcemia both are fatal to our life. Now, what is tetany? What happens when the blood calcium level is decreases? Tetany means spasm of the muscle or contraction of the muscle that is not voluntarily, involuntary. Voluntarily we can spasm our muscle. Involuntary spasm of the muscle or contraction of the muscle is called tetany. अब मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं, आप ठंडी के दिनों में आप देखो कभी क्या पैर में और हाथ में वैसे ये हो जाता है, that it was release, but this small period is very painful. कभी किसी ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है? हाँ, बहुत ठंडी रही है तो अपने हाथ या पैर ऐसे इसमें गया है स्पाजम में? हाँ, नहीं किया है? ठीक है. Tetany, it is condition usually due to hypocalcemia, characterized spasm of the hand, feet, larynx, and overactive reflexes. That is not very important. Now, the hypocalcemia gives some sign. One sign is tetany. Tetany means involuntary spasm of the muscle. It's very painful condition. And the blood calcium level is, I think, below 7, and if it goes below and below, the death is sure. Treatment for this part is we give IV calcium. IV calcium आप देते very slowly. very slowly. Many patient comes. Don't confuse between that tetany and this tetany. That tetany is corneobacterial tetany in the microbiology. That is different. This tetany is due to hypocalcemia. Other causes of tetany is rickets, osteomalacia, that is not very important. Rickets. What is with the rickets? Deficiency of which vitamins? Indicates vitamin D, right. Number one, applied part, hypocalcemia, hypothyroidism, these two, hypoparathyroidism due to hypocalcemia. One sign is tetany. You know what is tetany. The second is Trauser's sign. See, in tetany, हाथ देख रहे हैं क्या आप? ये जो ब्लड प्रेशर वाला ना, इधर के दो हाथ देख रहे हो? You can see two hands.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. First sign you saw, that is tetany. Then this sign, second sign, these two hands without BP apparatus. These two hands, this is called carpopedal spasm, or it is called carpospasm. It has a peculiar position. You see that there is depression of wrist, flexion of the finger, slight flexion of the wrist, flexion of the finger, and please remember that there is adduction of the thumb. This sign is called carpopedal spasm, and this figure or this picture में आप एग्जाम को SAQ में रख सकते हो. And Trauser signs again is that means whenever we arrest the blood for 3 minutes, we show the sign of tetany. Second part of this. Carpopedal spasm, you understand? There is flexion at the wrist, flexion at the interphalangeal joint, extension of the finger and abduction of the finger. Second very important is laryngeal stridor. Laryngeal stridor means noisy breathing. When the person breathes, you can hear the noise of that person or sound of the breathing. Why? Because of the spasm of the muscle due to hypocalcemia. Mainly, we can hear the sound during inspiration. Laryngeal stridor. First is carpopedal spasm, first is tetany, second is carpopedal spasm. Third style is laryngeal stridor, noisy breathing because of the contraction or spasm of the laryngeal muscle and mainly during inspiration. Now what is Chokwas sign? See, due to hypocalcemia, when you slightly tap over the mandible where the facial nerve is there, slightly tap, like slightly tap you do on the mandible, twitching is start on that same side, ipsilateral side. That is called Chokwas sign. Then Earth sign is that first and undermost thing I forgot to tell you that write down this word. Whenever there is hypocalcemia, there is hyperexcitability of the skeletal muscle as well as nerve. That's why a mild stimulation can give rise to contraction of the muscle. So hypocalcemia is responsible for the hyperexcitability and of the skeletal muscle as well as the nerve. Now, third is Earth sign. Here, a mild stimulation can give rise to contraction of the muscle. Okay. Please remember that whenever the blood calcium goes below 6 and when the blood calcium level goes above 15 milligram per cent, it is fatal. Death is compulsory. Okay. Compulsory death हो जाती है. Okay. First sign facial nerve irritability. Tap the facial nerve at the sternocleidomastoid foramen. Contraction of the facial muscle. Twitching start. वो साइड में twitch शुरू होती है. Twitching is started. Laryngeal static finish. The noisy breathing due to obstruction. A sudden contraction of the laryngeal muscle. Okay. Due to spasm of the muscle, the sound is there. Visceral manifestation, there is intestinal colic, biliary colic, bronchospasm, profuse sweating. ECG changes, they are prolongation of ST segment and abnormal T wave. Hyperparathyroidism. In hyperparathyroidism, what happens? The calcium level is increases due to tumor of the parathyroid gland or any means the calcium level is increases, causes adenoma or carcinoma, increased blood calcium level, bone diffraction and fracture of the rear. Now what happens in hyperparathyroidism? Mainly act on the cardiac, heart. They cause cardiac dilation, arrhythmia, and it may give rise to cardiac failure. Hyperparathyroidism. Important one is, this is also important in applied part, you have to write both hypo or hyper. But important one is hypothyroidism, hypoparathyroidism. It is called hypocalcemia, hyperparathyroidism, or it is also called hypercalcemia. Calcitonin is secreted by parafollicular cells. Same, they comes into action when the blood calcium level is in the blood, and how they act, they cause deposition of calcium in the bones. Source of vitamin D, skin, sunlight, ultra rays, UV rays. Diet, 10 microgram or 40 daily equivalent calcium. This is a chart where there is synthesis of the 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, the active form of vitamin D3. The 7-dehydroxycholecalciferol with the help of screen, is with the help of sunlight or UV light, converted into cholecalciferol, is 25 cholecalciferol in the liver, and then it is converted into 25 hydroxycholecalciferol, and in the kidney, with the help of, here is to be parathormone, with the help of parathormone, it is converted into 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, the activated form of vitamin D3, and which is responsible for the absorption of the calcium from. You are saying that the synthesis site is kidney, but action is on the intestine. Please remember that. They synthesized in the kidney, but their action is not on the kidney, their action is on the intestine. Adlacoid increases the cell permeability at the brush border. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Rickets vitamin D deficiency in childhood causes inadequate intake, lack of exposure to sunlight, chronic liver diseases, and chronic renal diseases. See the clinical feature of the disease: skull bone soft, and when pressure applied, collapses back when pressure is relieved. Widening of the ankle joints. Rickets. The short note may ask on the rickets, mainly on the biochemistry, but physiology it asks, you should write this. Frontal bossing, that is, you see that kyphosis, pelvic deformity. See the picture. With the clinical features of the rickets: wide sutures, craniotaps, crossing, see this figure again, same of the rickets: protruding forehead, large head, curved humerus, kyphosis, co-radius and ulna, protrusion of the abdomen, enlargement of the epiphysis at ankle, curved tibia and fibula. Locked knee means the position of the knee is such that the knee is knock knee, attached to each other. Frontal bossing is there. Thickening of the wrist. This is about rickets. I am telling about rickets. Now please, we briefly revise the parathormone. Please tell me where the parathormone it is secreted.
Parathyroid gland.
Thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland.
Please tell me the anatomy of the parathyroid gland. Where it is situated?
There are 4 parathyroid glands situated on the back of thyroid gland.
On the posterior part of the thyroid gland. Right, you are right. 4th parathyroid gland. Now tell me about the histology of the parathyroid gland. They are secreted from which cell? Chief cell. Okay. What is the role of parathormone to maintain the blood calcium level and how? Normal तो पता है आपको calcium level is 9 to 11 milligram percentage.
It will pull the calcium from the bone and put it inside the
आप बराबर बोल रहे but please use
when calcium level is low,
when calcium level it decreases, what happen? Parathormone does what? Parathormone does? बोलो बोलो मैडम बोलो. अश्विनी है क्या शायद? बोलो.
Calcium from the bone is taken, withdrawn and given into the blood.
The word is called what? No, it is not taken. It's called resorption.
Remineralization. Reabsorption.
No, remineralization not. Resorption.
Resorption, sorry.
Resorption. Not absorption. Resorption. Resorption of the calcium from the bones. Now, second, which is responsible to maintain the blood calcium level? What is parathormone?
Calcitonin.
कैसे करता है calcitonin?
Calcitonin deposits deposits calcium into the bone when there is
Very
hypercalcemia.
good, very good. When there is hypercalcemia means increase in the calcium level in the blood. Normal rate, you should know calcium is a very dangerous inorganic ions. When increase or decrease also gives rise to a death of that person. So it is very important to maintain the blood calcium level. Now, एक हार्मोन रह गया मैडम, एक रह गया जो मेंटेन करता है ब्लड कैल्शियम लेवल. एक तो पैराथर्मोन हो गया, कैल्सिटोनिन हो गया, एक और रह गया. Which remaining? It is synthesized by kidney. Madam, please कौन
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
अश्विनी.
Yes, ma'am.
मराठी कळतं ना?
Oh,
हा. तर तुला हिंट देते मी, तुला काय सांगितलं होतं मी, ऍक्टिव्हेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ विटॅमिन डी, द अनदर नेम फॉर ऍक्टिव्हेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ विटॅमिन डी इज व्हॉट?
calciferol.
125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. It is called activated form of vitamin D. When we give prescription to a premenopausal woman or menopausal woman, there is activated form. It is written that activated form of vitamin D. There are various vitamin, but we are using the vitamin D3. Please remember. Now, briefly we go to the applied part. Hypocalcemia is there. What happens when there is hypocalcemia? Blood calcium level is decreases. One is
vitamin D3 deficiency.
see, whenever there is hypocalcemia, Ashwini, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever there is hypocalcemia, the calcium level is decreases. What sign will it? आपने कितने sign देखे अभी? हाँ?
3.
मेरे को सुनने नहीं आ रहा है. I am not listening. Titani.
Yes, ma'am.
Second.
Laryngeal
Laryngeal
Harrison sign.
Then Chakwas-Stein, when the tap on the stylobustard process here, there is twitching on
ECG
that.
changes.
आप तो बहुत हाइपर हायर जा रहे हैं मैडम, पहले नॉर्मल तो बोलो. ओके. टिटैनी.
Sorry, ma'am.
सेकंड carpopedal spasm. Please tell me in carpopedal spasm how the position of the hand.
Depressed hand with adduction of thumb.
Please don't do depressed hand. Flexion of the wrist. You tell that there is flexion of the wrist, then flexion of the interphalangeal joint, and extension of the pharyngeal joints, and third is important one is
Adduction of thumb.
not abduction, away nahi, towards
Right.
adduction
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the
Thumb.
thumb. Okay. Then Chakwas-Stein, you already know Titani. What is Titani? Please tell me the definition of Titani.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Tell me the definition of Titani. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, you are not audible clearly. I guess there is network issue.
Tell me the definition of the Titani.
Ma'am, when there is uncontrolled spasm.
Not, please don't use uncontrolled spasm. There is involuntary spasm. Skeletal muscle, they are in our hand. They are voluntary. But there is involuntary spasm of the muscle or contraction of the muscle that is called Titani. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then hyperthyroidism, वो आप किताब में देख लो. Okay?
Okay.
I think a long question may be asked on the parathermone. And मुझे लगता है मैंने जितना आपको पढ़ाना चाहा, जितना important है, बहुत है उसमें डीप में जाने की जरूरत नहीं, because only 10 mark question is there, long question, and there is not necessary to write in a deep way. You write only main point. Handwriting, again I am repeating that handwriting should be good. if figure is there, it should be good and very well labeled. So you will get mark very easily. What you do? आप मेन चीज छोड़ते हो और दूसरी चीज की तरफ ध्यान देते हो, वही लिखते जाते हो. ओके, शुड आई स्टॉप द लेक्चर? क्या बातें करना है? मेरे को तो बहुत बोर हो रहा है बाबा ये. आई एम मिसिंग यू ऑल.
And we also miss you.
हाँ, आदत हो गई ना अभी. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you.